Just nest it. You can nest it into one of the other planters. The planter of the same size will nest into the that planter. It looks like he's finding a lot of cans. Yeah. We're here at the 76 in Palmdale. Somebody almost walked into the car.